Okay, so part 4, make sure you have all the bolts assembled tightly, just assembled, have the all 4 legs are on, so that's when you tighten everything. So remember, the long bolts do not have any washers or any of the spring washers in it, or the flat washers. They just put them in individually. Make sure everything's tightened using the Allen wrench, just to make sure everything is double tightened. You always want to double check just to make sure that you have tightened everything. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is it'll rattle and it'll shake and it won't be a very comfortable time. So you want to make sure everything is double checked, tightened. So we don't have to keep assembling it after you've finished. So after you've done all that, then you flip the stool over and you get ready to assemble the back piece, which is this. So we're going to assemble that using the bolts to assemble that part. And this part, when you do the back piece, remember that what you want to use first is the number 2 screws with the spring washer and then the flat washer first. So use the number 2 screw, which is the medium bolt, which is this. Use the medium bolt first to establish into these holes, these quarter holes. There's only 2 of them. Use the spring washer first, and then the flat washer second. So we're going to assemble the back now.